Hey guys, it's Jerika. So in this video I'm going to be doing the crayon case. I'm really excited about this makeup palette because honestly I didn't even need this makeup palette. Like when I bought it I'm like, Jerika, why are you buying this palette? You know you don't need this palette. Like I just stay buying palettes I don't even need, and then I'm sitting here struggling like, when am I even gonna hit the pan on any of these? Because like you got so many makeup palettes that you ain't ever gonna use. It's like I could see if I was a makeup artist or whatever, I could see myself getting through the palettes, but it's just me doing makeup videos on YouTube. So it's like, I ain't ever gonna get done. I ain't gonna ever get through them all. Anyway, this is the palette right here, box of crayons. I'm really excited. I can't even open it. I love that it has a mirror. It's bomb. So look at, these are the colors. I'm doing it this way so y'all can see it without the glare. So the colors don't have like any special names. They're just literally whatever color they are. Like red, yellow, pink, purple. Like it's just what the colors are. Like, so it's not like no special names like most of these palettes, which I can appreciate simplicity. I'm honestly surprised no one thought of this before now. Anyway, so I really need to wet my beauty blender. I'll be back. I really have to start doing a better job at cleaning beauty blenders because I do a horrible job. So to moisturize my face, I really decided to get the Pond's, and I really like how it makes my face feel and look. I'm really trying to figure out exactly what my skin is, what my skin type is, and I'm thinking that I get oily under makeup because my skin is dehydrated. Because you know your makeup can get shiny when you don't moisturize it because it's trying to like compensate. So I'm gonna test out putting on, you know, moisture, make sure my face is moisturized properly before makeup, and I just put way too much on. And then, you know, that'll let me know if that's what it really was. I'm gonna prime my lids with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I need to go back to Ulta to see if they have my color in this yet, because when I went to go get this concealer, I swear like all of them were gone. I just grabbed one just so I can say that I tried it, and I really love this concealer. It's like a dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape, and that's not a lie at all. It really is a dupe. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Bring my Coty Airspun because I like setting my eye makeup with that because it's translucent. This Sacha Buttercup is yellow, so it doesn't set white like I need it to. And I brought me some makeup wipes, so if this look doesn't look right, I can wipe it off before I walk out of here looking crazy. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is pink, as I stated earlier. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush, blending brush, going in with the shade pink. And these are supposed to be really pigmented, so we'll see. Everybody I've seen them on, they've been really pigmented, so yep, I can already see the pink. I don't know what is going on with my hands, but lately I've been having joint pain in my fingers, so I have to like hold my brushes a little differently. Like I can hold it like this, but I can't really like tighten my hands around small items right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm like, Lord, I know I don't have arthritis. Like I'm 27 years old. There's no way I should be going through this at this age in life. You know, like I feel like I shouldn't be having these problems. I'm too young for this. We're gonna apply the color purple and directly under this pink. I feel like I need a smaller brush, but it's okay. And I'm trying to think, I'm probably gonna go in with violet. I don't know. Ooh. I just totally, I didn't mean to do that. I totally got fallout all around my little purple color now, and I don't like that. some of that. But like I said before, in one of my other videos, I think I said it, I'm really going to start checking out some actual loose pigments, because you just can't go wrong with loose pigments. Like, you can't get more pigmented than loose pigments, okay? They're not pressed and packed into something, so they're just way more pigmented. Just the most pigmented that you can get. Alright, you guys, so I got the pink on, I got the purple on. It's not really applying how I want it to. I feel like some of these colors are a little patchy. I don't know. Maybe it's just the brush, maybe it's just the way I'm applying it. I'm not exactly sure, but I can see spaces. But it's okay, because this is just going to be what we're cutting anyway. So hopefully I can get it fixed. The next color I'm going to go in with, sorry, I'm getting out of the screen. I'm going to go in, well, violet doesn't seem like it's that much darker. Okay, so we have a deep plum color. I'm going to go in with that. This brush is really thick. This brush here is really dense. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get what I'm wanting out of this. Before I mess something up, let me go back in with this purple. This is why I like to have, what was I gonna say? This is why I like to have tape, so I won't have all this out here. I mean, you could still fix it after the fact with concealer, but I just still like using tape because I feel like the line is just more crisp. Now what I'm going to do is cut my crease. I'm going to do so with this small little Real Techniques brush. It's called a detailer brush. I like using this to carve out my brows and do my cut creases because it's nice and small and it's flat. I see people doing cut creases with bigger these, which I see how that would be convenient, like something that's like this size. And I could do that after I carve it out, but to initially carve it out, I need something small. If you have hooded lids like I do, cutting a crease can be a headache. I have this flap of skin that I'm touching right now that folds and hides my makeup looks, which really sucks. But I mean, it definitely takes practice to be able to not let that stop you from being great, but it's definitely a challenge. Okay, I'm gonna go in with yellow first. Yellow's gonna be the first color. We're gonna see. Okay, yellow. Yeah, I see you, yellow. Alright, you guys, the next color I'm going to go in with is going to be orange. This orange color though is a little shimmery, so I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. See if that helps. Alright, you guys, so my mom had called, so I have to do a voiceover for the rest of this, but I'm just applying pink in the outer corner. And after I apply the pink in the outer corner, you're going to see me adding orange and then adding more yellow, just overlapping to make sure that the colors blend together. And then on the outer corner, I'm going to add a that purple color again, and then I'm going to go in with the black, but I didn't film that part. I just slightly tapped my brush into the black and put it on the outer corner. You'll notice like the outer corner will be a little bit deeper, and this just gave it more dimension. So that's all I'm doing, just adding the colors I want. Now I'm cutting that line to make it a little bit more sharp. This is what I was telling you guys earlier that you can do to fix it. I kind of hate I did this because I didn't really like how it looked, but you know, whatever at this point. I wish I had kind of blended that out a little bit more because I just didn't like the way that looked. So it was a lesson learned, so I won't do that anymore. And I'm applying my Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. This was my first time using this foundation. Like I said earlier, I used the Pond's for the first time, so I really like that moisturizer. And then but I do like the way this foundation made my skin look. It's definitely not matte. It's kind of like a natural airbrush finish, but it's not matte at all. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the numbered C12. Again, I'm going to go back to Ulta and get this in my color because I really like this concealer. I'm also going to get some in a really white pale shade because I think that's best. I'm just blending it out with what was left over on my foundation brush, which helps keep you from getting harsh lines. And then I'm just pressing in the Sacha Buttercup into my skin. I didn't bake this time. I really only bake above my brows. Well, for this time I did. But I just wanted to press it in just to see how it was going to look. I just like to switch it up every now and then. Sometimes I bake, sometimes I don't. Then I'm applying my CoverGirl Ebony Queen bronzer, and then I'm going in with my ABH glow kit, which you guys will see at the end. But I'm just applying more purple and pink on my lower lash line. The color in the ABH kit I used was in the Sun Dip palette. It's that like pinky, kind of like a light purplish blue highlight color. I don't remember the name, I'm sorry, but if you have the Sun Dip palette, that's the... Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Sorry I'm gonna have to do it vlog style because I'm getting ready to leave work. I finished just in time, but I'm getting ready to leave work, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. Can't do my normal routine because I'm holding the camera with my hands, so but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely like the crayon case. I like the way my eyes came out. I like that they have a lot of colors in there that I feel like I would use. I wish I had blended this out a little bit more, but whatever, it's okay. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.